Hello there. This guide contains step-by-step instructions to backup files if Windows cannot start normally. The instructions are for Windows 10 or Windows 11 based computers, but can also be applied to Windows 8 and Windows 7 PCs. One of the worst situations that can happen is when Windows won't start normally, and because you cannot repair them, you have to do a clean installation of the operating system without having a backup of your files. If you are in a such situation, then in this guide you will learn how you can rescue your files if Windows could not start without booting into Windows. In this guide, you will find two methods to backup your files if your Windows crashes. The first method is the Windows recovery environment where you will backup your files. This is for the case where you don't have access to another working computer, or if you own a Windows 10 or Windows 11 USB installation media. While second one is the use Hiren bootable USB flash drives is the one I recommend when you have access to another working PC or when you don't have a Windows 11 or Windows 10 USB installation media, or if you are running Windows 7. If you cannot rescue your files using one of the following methods, then your last choice is to remove the hard disk from the crashed PC and attach it on another working computer to rescue your files. To backup your personal files in Windows recovery environment, you have to boot your computer with Windows installation media. From the BIOS setup screen, make sure to select the installation media as the first boot device to boot your computer with that installation media. From Windows setup screen, select your language to install and keyboard layout and click Next button. Click Repair Your Computer link and click Troubleshoot. Open the command prompt, type Notepad, press Enter key. From the File menu, click Open. Make sure to change the file or type to all files. Click this PC. Now you have access to your C drive where you can back up your personal files to external drive. The second method to back up your file if Windows could not start is to boot your computer from Hiren's live USB flash drive and rescue your files from the Hiren's operating system. For this task, you need to have access to another working PC to create a bootable Hiren's flash drive. From working Windows PC, download the Hiren's boot CD PE ISO file onto your computer. You should also download the Rufus utility. You can find the download link at the description section of this video. To create a Hiren's bootable USB flash drive, launch the Rufus utility. Click Yes button. Again, click Yes button. Attach an empty USB flash drive to make it bootable. With Rufus open, press all E keys together to activate Rufus dual UEFI or BIOS mode. As you can see, it is enabled. Now select the Hiren's ISO image. The partition scheme should be MBR and the file system should be FAT32. For USB drive equal or larger than 32 GB, choose partition scheme as MBR and file system as large FAT32. If the large FAT32 option is not visible in Rufus, please press the Alt and L keys together to enable forced large 32 formatting. And when you're ready, click Start button and click OK button to create your bootable USB flash drive. After creating the bootable USB flash drive, boot your computer with USB flash drive. When you boot your computer with Hiren's bootable USB flash drive, you can use backup softwares from within Hiren's operating system. As you can see, there are few backup softwares you can use to backup your personal data. You can also use File Explorer to back up your data to a external hard drive. That is it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment at the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.